Contractors and woodworkers wanted a powerful and versatile jigsaw without the cord. Introducing the Makita 18-volt lithium-ion cordless jigsaw, available as a kit or as a bare tool, delivering control, convenience, comfort, and performance in a compact size. The Makita Jigsaw is engineered for less vibration with 3 orbital settings plus straight cutting and 2,600 strokes per minute for fast, efficient cutting. Convenience features include a large trigger switch, the toolless blade change, and a built-in LED light. The Makita Jigsaw weighs only 6.1 pounds with an ergonomic grip and precision machined base for smooth cutting. The star on your LXT tool and battery means they're equipped with Star Protection computer controls technology that protects your battery and tool for optimum performance. LXT also has the fastest charge time in the category, powered by a fast-charging LXT battery. It's part of Makita LXT, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup.